Welcome to our introduction to the TNTplus reagent line, a reliable solution for laboratory testing. One of the main features for this product is its integration of barcode scanning for multiple parameters. These barcodes are specific to the different spectrophotometers to ensure accuracy with the analysis. When you insert a vial into the spectrophotometer, the vial will rotate and then be analyzed 10 times, dropping out 2 outliers and averaging the remaining 8 readings. Another innovative aspect of the TNTplus line is the TrueCal calibration. Hach's most popular chemical parameters will include a TrueCal icon in their system information. When activated, this system pulls up the specific calibration for the specific lot of chemistry you are using. As a result, you can trust that your measurements are accurate and precise. Now let's talk about the different types of chemistries available in the TNTplus line. For example, when measuring total phosphorus, you start with a vial that includes a persulfate cap. To begin, you'll remove the cap, add your sample, and then replace it before mixing. This mixture is placed in the DRB digestion block for 1 hour for the total phosphorus analysis. If you're interested in ammonia testing, the process involves a dosy cap. Here, you'll remove the foil and add your sample before inverting the cap to activate the freeze-dried reagent. After a brief reaction time, you're ready to measure the results. We also offer a specialized setup for testing total organic carbon, or TOC, which is EPA approved. This method involves using a gas-permeable membrane and a pH indicator. You'll add your sample, tighten the vials together between the gas-permeable membrane cap, and then place it in the digestion block. As the organic carbon converts to carbon dioxide, it will change the color of the pH indicator, allowing you to easily measure the results afterward. One of the key advantages of the TNTplus system is the user-friendly instructions provided with each kit. They guide you through each step, ensuring clarity in the process. For example, if you're running a phosphorus chemistry test, you may choose to skip certain steps if you're not digesting the sample and want to measure orthophosphate. You discard the persulfate cap, add your sample, and follow the instructions for the next reagents. Once you've prepared your samples, you let them react for a set time, observing changes in color that indicate the presence of the target analytes. After the reaction has completed, clean the outside of the vials with a wipe to remove fingerprints or other smudges. Then place the vial into the spectrophotometer for analysis. Hach's TNTplus product line also includes tests for nitrate, TKN, NT, COD, manganese, hardness, alkalinity, cyanide, phenol, volatile organic compounds, surfactants, among others. These diverse options give you the flexibility to conduct various analysis with ease. With the TNTplus reagent line, you're equipped to perform a wide range of analyses accurately and efficiently. Each test is designed with user experience in mind, ensuring that you can achieve reliable results without unnecessary hassle. Thank you for joining us as we've explored the features and benefits of the TNTplus reagent line. We invite you to take advantage of these innovative solutions and enhance your laboratory capabilities. Please check out our website for further information.